Welcome to our video titled How Everyday Actions Can Help Combat Climate Change. In it, we'll shed light on some practical, accessible steps that each one of us can incorporate into our daily routines to minimize our carbon footprints. From choosing a plant-based diet to opting for public transportation, small changes can have significant impacts. Remember, every decision you make can contribute to the global effort against climate change. Let's dive in and see what we all can do for a healthier and more sustainable planet. 1. Switching to a plant-based diet can reduce your carbon footprint by up to 50%. Imagine cutting your carbon footprint in half. It sounds like a dream, but it's possible by simply changing what's on your plate. The truth is, meat production emits a staggering amount of greenhouse gases compared to plant farming. It's like choosing to bike instead of drive. The emission savings are immense. When you switch to a plant-based diet, you're not just making healthier choices for yourself. You're also contributing to a healthier planet. It's fascinating how the simple act of choosing lentils over lamb can make such a remarkable difference for the environment. We often underestimate the impact of our dietary habits, but every meal is a chance to initiate change. 2. Using public transportation cuts emissions by 45%. Per trip, taking the train or bus isn't just about convenience or avoiding the stress of driving. It's about contributing to a cleaner planet. Public transportation is significantly more energy efficient than private cars. Imagine splitting the car emissions of 100 people, and that's what public transport can do. Opting for public transport is like bringing your reusable bags to the supermarket. It's a small action that, collectively, has a monumental impact. You don't have to sell your car to make a change. Just substituting a few trips can cut your carbon emissions by almost half. This is a straightforward and effective way to battle climate change. 3. Line drying clothes reduces household energy use by up to 10%. Remember your grandmother's clothes line? It turns out she was onto something smart. Line drying isn't only a small gesture toward nostalgia, it's a powerful energy-saving technique. By skipping the electric dryer altogether, you can cut down your household energy use by up to 10%. It's like unplugging a small army of electronics. You'd be surprised how much energy those machines chugging away in the laundry room consume. Hanging clothes to dry not only cuts down on carbon emissions, but also extends the life of the garments. It's free, eco-friendly, and between you and the sun, Laundry Day has never been kinder to the earth. 4. Turning off appliances can save 5 to 10% on your energy bill. As technology has become more advanced, known issues like phantom energy have emerged. Many of our household appliances, even when not in use, continue sipping power. Just like how leaving a dripping tap wastes water, leaving appliances plugged in wastes energy. Turning them off completely can help save up to 10% on your energy bill. It's a bit like pocketing $10 just for remembering to turn off your phone charger when it's not in use. Simply unplugging devices or using a power strip can dramatically reduce your energy consumption. That small effort doesn't only benefit your wallet, it benefits the world. 5. Recycling aluminum saves enough energy to power a TV for 3 hours. When you toss an aluminum can into the recycling bin, you're saving more than just the can itself. Recycling aluminum requires 95% less energy than producing new metal. Consider that one can save enough energy to power a television for 3 hours. It's akin to flipping the switch and having entertainment with a side of eco-friendly goodness. Simple acts like recycling might seem too easy to make a difference, but they do. These everyday motions play a crucial role in conserving energy and reducing waste. Every can counts, and the collective effort can't be overstated. 6. Driving 10% less can save over a ton of CO2 annually. We all know that cars contribute to pollution, but the magnitude of the problem can be jarring. By driving just 10% less, you can save over a ton of CO2 emissions each year. It's like cutting out an entire Thanksgiving dinner from your annual carbon budget. Carpooling or walking instead of taking a short drive can make all the difference. Even these slight changes add up to a significant reduction in emissions. Every mile saved is a direct impact on reducing greenhouse gases. You don't have to give up driving entirely, just aim to be a little more mindful. 7. Shopping. Second-hand reduces textile waste and energy use. The fashion industry is a voracious consumer of resources and a significant contributor to waste. By extending the life of your clothes through second-hand shopping, you can reduce your clothing-related carbon footprint by a remarkable 30%. It's like getting a new dress and planting a tree at the same time. Shopping second-hand not only counters fast fashion's rapid cycle, but minimizes textile waste and conserves energy. Each thrifted sweater or pair of jeans is one less item that requires new resources to produce. The simple act of reusing can have a powerful ripple effect. 8. Composting food waste. Reduces methane emissions in landfills. Food waste is often left to decompose in landfills, producing methane, a potent greenhouse gas. However, composting diverts this waste away from landfills and turns it into nutrient-rich soil instead. Think of it like turning your garbage into gold. Composting not only reduces methane emissions, but also enhances garden soil quality. Instead of participating in the landfill problem, you can contribute to a solution. In essence, your kitchen scraps have potential beyond the trash bin. They can achieve positive environmental effects when composted. 9. Planting native plants can boost carbon sequestration in your garden. Incorporating native plants into your garden is more than just a nod to local flora. These plants have adapted well to their environment, making them excellent at carbon sequestration. They store more carbon in their roots and soil, much like a personal carbon bank in your backyard. It's an accidental bonus that gardening, something so rewarding and calming, can benefit the planet. Native plants also require less fertilizer and water, reducing the need for additional resources. It's a win-win situation. Beautifully diverse landscapes that also help combat climate change. 10. Using a reusable water bottle. Saves 167 plastic bottles a year. Plastic pollution is a growing threat, cluttering our oceans and lands alike. An easy, albeit powerful shift is replacing single-use plastic bottles with a reusable one. Doing so conserves resources and helps prevent potential pollutants. On average, using a reusable bottle prevents the disposal of 167 plastic bottles a year. It's a modest habit that yields significant benefits. Think of each refill as a step toward a cleaner, safer environment. Eliminating single-use plastic products from your routine makes you part of a larger movement against unnecessary waste.